There are many ways to design graphics for LinkedIn, but most people either overcomplicate the design or spend too much time trying to make it look professional. The truth is that LinkedIn graphics should be clean, readable, and aligned with your personal brand. What I'm about to show you step by step is how to create professional looking LinkedIn graphics in Canva in just about a few minutes. If you're a beginner, this is a quick technique you can use to make your posts stand out while still keeping a polished and professional look. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Canva account and click on Create from the left-hand panel. In the search bar, type LinkedIn post and select the recommended size so your graphic fits perfectly on the platform. Once your canvas is open, head over to the Templates panel on the left side. Canva has a lot of LinkedIn templates you can start with. Look for designs that are minimal, clean, and easy to read, since LinkedIn is a professional platform and cluttered designs usually perform worse. After choosing a template, start customizing it with your own content. Replace the text with your main message, key insight, or quote. Make sure the text is short and clear so people can understand your message quickly while scrolling. Next, adjust the colors to match your personal brand or professional style. You can do this by selecting elements and using the color picker on the floating toolbar. Keeping a consistent color palette helps your posts look more recognizable. You can also add simple elements like lines, icons, or shapes to highlight important parts of your message. Just make sure you keep the layout balanced and avoid adding too many elements. Once your graphic looks good, click on Share, then download and export it as a PNG for high quality. Now your LinkedIn graphic is ready to post. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just created a professional LinkedIn graphic in Canva in only a few minutes. With clean layouts and clear messaging, you can create posts that look polished and help you stand out on LinkedIn. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.